We're at 606 North Roxbury, Beverly Hills. We're in the backyard. There's a two-way cleanout approximately 10 feet deep, located to the south side of the swimming pool. Right now we got our camera all the way at the city connection in the alley, and we're gonna pull back. Didn't see any problems at all. That's the water that you see running from other people using the city sewer. And right here is the connection. This is the lateral out in the alley, and no problems at all with this pipe. You can see everything seems to be clean and clear. Appears to be clay pipe. No roots in this section at all. As you can see, coming back towards the house now from the alley. This line is absolutely clean. Didn't see any problems with the line. No potential cracks. No starting of any roots. Coming up out of the clean out. This is the clean out that we were in. And what I'm gonna do now is get the camera to go towards the house. This is a two-way clean out. So now we're going back down inside the clean out. Okay. Now we're going back towards the house. The line appears to be good so far. No problems with it. Little lip. The camera head is turned on the side right now, so that little lip that you see is actually the bottom of the pipe, but it's not a bad lip. Doesn't appear to be any problems with this line. A little bit of debris right here. Looks like there is a root problem right there. Right there. You can see the root problem right here. I'm going to go mark that, so I'm going to put this camera on pause, and I'll go mark that problem, see where it's at.